Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best LED strip lights for your bedroom under $20, the KSIPZE 50 feet LED strip lights. If you're looking to completely transform the mood and ambience of your space without breaking the bank, then stick around, because this set might be exactly what you need. Right out of the box, the KSIPZE LED strip lights offer 50 feet of flexible RGB lighting. That's more than enough to line the perimeter of your room, your ceiling, bed frame, or even use behind your monitor or TV for that extra flair. But what makes this set stand out is not just the length, it's the features packed into it. Let's start with control options. The KSIPZE strip lights support both app control and IR remote. The Bluetooth app gives you access to 16 million colors. Yes, 16 million. You can adjust the brightness, set custom colors, and even create lighting effects like flashing, fading, or jumping at different speeds. Just use the included remote for instant changes. One of the standout features is the built-in music sync mode. The strip lights include a built-in mic that listens to your surroundings and automatically syncs the lights to the rhythm of the music or even your voice. Whether you're gaming, watching a movie, or throwing a small get-together, the lights respond in real time, adding an immersive vibe. Another thoughtful addition is the timer setting. You can program the lights to turn on or off at specific times, perfect for waking up to a soft glow or winding down at night without needing to reach for a switch. It adds convenience and saves energy, especially if you tend to forget turning them off. Installation is super simple. On the back of the strip is a strong adhesive tape. Just peel it, stick it to a clean and dry surface, and you're good to go. No tools, no hassle. You can have your entire room lit up in just a few minutes. And the lights aren't limited to just bedrooms. Their 50-foot reach makes them ideal for living rooms, kitchens, ceilings, or even for event decoration, think Christmas, Halloween, birthdays, or weddings. Anywhere you want ambient, these strips deliver. In terms of lighting quality, the LEDs produce vibrant and rich colors with consistent brightness. Even across the full 50-foot length, you'll notice a solid glow with no major drop-offs. They're powered by corded electricity, so you get stable performance without worrying about battery drainage. And here's the best part, all of this comes in at under $20. That's right, for less than the cost of a pizza night, you can give your room a brand new personality. Whether you're into soft ambient light, colorful party effects, or sleek backlighting, the KSIPZE LED strip lights deliver big without a big price tag. So if you're ready to upgrade your space on a budget, the KSIPZE 50 feet LED strip lights are definitely worth checking out. They're functional, stylish, and most importantly, affordable. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our honest takes on affordable tech and home products. See you in the next one.